Welcome back to the Real English Podcast. It's great to have you here today.
It really is. Good to be here. How are you doing? You look a little stressed.
Stressed, a little. I feel like I'm running a marathon. No, actually, a marathon sounds easier than my day today.
Oh, wow. That bad.
I'm totally exhausted already, and it's not even noon.
Oh, no. I'm sorry to hear that. What's going on?
It's just, those days you look at your calendar and just, nope, I want to go back to bed.
Oh, I definitely know those days.
My schedule is just full. I've got meetings, then emails, then more meetings. It just doesn't stop.
It sounds like one of those really busy ones.
Exactly. I looked at my to-do list this morning, and I almost cried. I have so many works today.
You have so many. Wait, hang on. What did you just say?
I have so many works, tasks, like probably 10 different works.
10 works.
Is that wrong? You're giving me a funny look.
Well, I'm just a little confused. Did you become an artist overnight? Or like a factory manager?
An artist? No. I'm talking about my job.
Yeah.
My tasks. The things I have to do.
Okay, I see. You mean you have a lot of work.
Yes, work. But there are many things. So, works.
Yeah.
Like recording this, that's 1.
Yeah.
Answering emails is 2. Writing that report, that's 3. So it's plural.
I love that logic. Mathematically, it's perfect. 1 + 1 is 2.
Exactly. If I have 4 apples, I say apples. 4 cars, cars. So 4 tasks. Many works.
I get it. I really do. But English doesn't quite agree with your math on this one.
Really?
Yeah. We just don't say many works when we're talking about our job or our to-do list.
We don't. So what am I supposed to say?
You just say, I have a lot of work. Through
Ugh.
closures.
Work. But it feels like so much more than that.
I know it feels that way. But it doesn't matter if it's one thing or a million things. It's all just work.
Huh. That feels a bit strange.
It does at first. Here, think about water.
Water. Okay.
Yeah. If you have 1 glass of water, you say, I have water.
Okay.
Okay, now, what if you pour 10 of those glasses into a big bucket? Would you look at it and say, I have 10 waters?
No, that just sounds silly. It's just more water.
Exactly. It's uncountable. It all just mixes together into one big thing. Work is exactly the same.
So, work is like a liquid.
Yes. You can have a little bit of work like a puddle, or you can have a flood of work like today.
Okay, I like that image. Today, I am definitely drowning in work.
See? Perfect sentence. Drowning in work. You get it.
So it's just a general amount of stuff.
It is. Or think about traffic.
Don't make me think about traffic. It was awful this morning.
I know, I'm sorry, but just for a second, you look at the window, you see hundreds of cars, right?
Yes. Way too many cars.
You wouldn't call your boss and say, I'm late because there are 500 traffics, would you?
No, never. I just say there's a lot of traffic.
Right. Even with all those individual cars together, it's just traffic. Work is the same. Emails, calls, meetings, they're all the individual cars. But the whole situation is just work.
Ah, okay. So work is the general activity.
Yeah.
The big pile of stuff.
Exactly. It's the category.
So I was sounding a little funny before.
Not funny. Just maybe like you own a factory.
A factory?
Yeah, because it works with an S. It is a real word.
It is.
It is.
Wait a second. You just told me not to use it.
English is tricky. I said we don't use it for your job, but the word works does exist.
Okay, you're confusing me again.
Don't worry. It's actually pretty simple. When you add the "es," the meaning changes completely. It can mean a big industrial place like the waterworks or the ironworks.
Oh, so when I said I have many works, it sounded like I own 5 factories.
A little bit, yeah. Or it can mean something else, like with art, but we can get to that.
Art.
For your job, for your tasks.
Yeah.
This.
I definitely do not own a factory. I just have a desk.
So you have a lot of work.
Okay. A lot of work. Sounds more natural.
It is.
Speaking of work and traffic and all that,
Yeah.
have you talked to Sarah recently?
Sarah, yeah, I spoke to her last week. Why?
I was just thinking about her old routine. Remember how she always complained about her commute?
Oh, I remember. That long drive into the city every day.
Yeah. She goes to work at 9, but she had to leave her house at, 7:30?
Right. She goes to work, the place, her office.
But I heard that's all changed now.
It has. Big change for her.
Now she works from home.
Yep. Isn't that great?
I'm so jealous. She works from home. She can stay in her pajamas all day.
Exactly. Now notice what you just said. She works.
Ah, yeah. I hear it. There's an "as" there.
Careful, though. That isn't making it plural. It's the verb.
Oh, right. It's the action.
You got it. I work, you work, she work.
Just the grammar rule, like she eats or she sleeps.
Correct. So work is the noun, the job. She works is the verb, the action.
Okay, I'm with you. So how's she liking it? Working from home.
Oh, she loves it. But she did have to get a new computer. Her old one was. Well, you remember it.
Oh, that old thing. It was a dinosaur.
It was. So she bought a whole new setup, a big screen, a new keyboard, the whole thing.
Oh, nice. Is it any good?
She says it works perfectly.
It works perfectly.
So think about that sentence. It works.
The computer doesn't have a job. It doesn't get paid.
Exactly. It's not an employee.
So here, works just means it functions.
It functions. It does what it's supposed to do. The machine is good. It works.
Okay, so we use works for machines.
Very often. If your car starts, it works. If your phone turns on, it works.
You know, hearing about Sarah's amazing new computer makes me kind of sad
Why is that?
because
Look at this.
your laptop, it looks, well, there's some tape on the corner.
It's awful. I want to throw it out the window. This machine doesn't work.
Oh, no, really?
It's so slow. I try to open a file and I just sit there watching the little wheel spin and spin. It makes this sad little whirring noise.
That doesn't sound good.
It's not. The battery is dead. If I unplug it, the whole thing just dies. It doesn't work.
That's so frustrating, especially when you have so much work to do. Exactly. A lot of work and a computer that doesn't work. It's a bad combination. I spent hours yesterday trying to fix it.
Any luck?
Not really. It was exhausting.
I bet.
It really is true that hard work takes time.
Ooh, listen to you. You just used it perfectly. Hard work. Uncountable. The effort.
Oh, hey, I did.
Yeah.
I didn't even realize. Yeah, fixing this thing is definitely hard work.
Perfect. So Sarah's computer works. It functions. Your computer doesn't work. It's broken. And fixing it is hard work, a lot of effort.
I think I have it. But wait, you said something else earlier about art.
I did. This is the other special meaning for works.
There was a good example for that, too.
She is. She has her hobby, right?
Oh, yeah, her painting. She's so good. She does all these beautiful landscapes.
Exactly. Now imagine she gathers all of her paintings, maybe 50 of them, for an art show.
Okay, yeah.
That gallery would present her collected works.
Collected work.
Yes. For creations like art or books or music, we can make it plural. A single painting is a work of art. Many paintings are works of art.
Ah, so for art, I can count them.
You finally can, yes. You can talk about the works of Shakespeare or the works of Da Vinci.
Okay, so it's a pretty specific situation.
It is. It sounds a bit formal. You wouldn't call your emails your collected works.
No, my emails are definitely not works of art.
Probably not.
So, Sarah's paintings are her works, but her job is her work.
You've completely got it.
You know, this whole conversation,
Yeah.
it actually reminds me of something.
Oh, yeah.
Talking about hard work and creating things.
Yeah.
It reminds me of my project from last summer.
What project was that?
I decided to build a deck in my backyard.
Oh, wow. Ambitious.
I had no idea what I was doing. I just bought a huge pile of wood and started. I thought it would take like a weekend.
It never takes a weekend.
It took 2 weeks. It was so hot. I was sweating. I hit my thumb with a hammer.
Ouch.
I was carrying all this heavy wood. My back hurt. My arms hurt. It was just so much effort.
That sounds absolutely exhausting.
It was. Hard work takes time, for sure. And a lot of energy.
I'm sure. But did you finish it?
I did. I put the last board in place, stained it a nice color, and put some chairs on it. Then I invited my friends over.
What did they think?
They loved it. We were all sitting out there, and I was just looking at what I had built. I was so proud.
You should be.
I looked at the deck and at the fence I had painted earlier, and I said to my friends, "These are my best works so far."
Ah, that's great.
In that moment, I felt like an artist. The deck, the fence, they were my creations, my works.
That is the perfect example. It really shows the difference.
How so?
Well, the process. The sweating, the hammering, the sore back, all of that was what...
What was the work? The hard work.
Exactly. The uncountable effort. Just a big pile of sweating.
A very big pile of sweating.
But the result, the finished deck you can look at and be proud of, that's your work of art. Or, in this case, your works.
Right. It goes from being effort to being a trophy.
I like that. Works are the trophies. Work is the effort.
So, do you feel like you have a better handle on it now?
I really do.
Okay, let's just do a quick review just to make sure.
Good idea.
For my job, with all my emails and meetings, I just have a lot of work.
Correct. Like water or traffic.
Yeah, and when my new wonderful computer arrives and it's fast and amazing, it works.
Yes. it functions properly.
And if Sarah becomes a famous artist, her collection of paintings will be her collected works.
Exactly. You're an expert now.
I don't know about that, but I feel a lot better. So we have a question for all of you listening.
We do.
We do. What about you? Do you have a lot of work today, or are you relaxing?
Good question. Hopefully you're relaxing.
And if you are on your way to work, good luck.
We hope your day goes smoothly and your computer works perfectly.
Yes, definitely. Thanks for listening. If you'd like more episodes like this, you can subscribe to the channel. See you next time.